I'm so sleepy. Oh, where's Jill today? Oh, he can't move. I really wanna play hide and seek today. Where's Jill? Jill, are you? My God! Look, Jill TV. What the heck? He's sleeping. Alright, he's sleeping. I don't wanna disturb him. You know what? I'm just gonna meet him later on and he's or I'm gonna play with him some hide and seek tomorrow. So man. Oh man, almost it's almost a sunny sunny day. Almost sunny. Oh man. Gotta need the game mode. Okay. It's almost sunny. You know what? I'm just gonna sleep more, okay? Oh, finally! Finally! Oh, it's finally a wake up. Used to be, where is he? Where is he? Is he awake already? Used to be, are you here? Are you already awake or nah? Oh. Hey Jill, wake up. Girl, wake up already. Hey, wake up, boy. Wake up. We're gonna play hide and seek today, buddy. Hey, buddy. Buddy, wake up. We can play now. I'm tired. Why? You almost sleep like 7 hours ago. But what? Are you kidding me? Oh man, I am trapped. Okay, help me. Yo. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now let's go here. You wanna play? You wanna play hide and seek, buddy? Man, why? Buddy, I wanna play hide and seek with you. Been waiting for hours so you can wake up and we can play hide and seek. Buddy, I wanna play. How? I really wanna play hide and seek, bro. Buddy. Okay. Okay. Let's go have fun. Okay. I'm gonna show you the thing that I made here. I don't really wanna play with Dr. Zack because he's a pesky villager and he always don't wanna be a seeker. So this is the thing. Don't click it yet because if you click this, you will get one of these thing right here, a Steve head and a wither skeleton head. If you got the wither skeleton, buddy, you are the seeker. If you got the Steve head and you are the hider, which is you will be, if you are the seeker, you will be counting in 30 seconds and gonna find me if you are the seeker. If me count in 30 seconds. Now let's begin. As you said over there. Now who's the first one? We're gonna step in clicking this button. You? Okay. Click it, buddy. What did you got? What did you got? Buddy, what did you got? My God. I'm so sorry, but you are the seeker. Okay, now what do I be? Are you kidding me? A skeleton? What is wrong with this machine? Okay, there we go. Okay, you will find me in 30 seconds. So hope you all good luck. You will okay. No, not yet, buddy. You're just gonna count where should you count? Right here. Just count right, buddy. Okay. Okay. Now let's begin. How slow you are. Okay, where should I hide? Where should I... Hey, you're cheating! Nah, buddy. Cheating is not good. Where should we hide? Just kidding. 4, 5. He's counting so badly. Man, hope you don't find me here. This is the greatest hiding spot where 9. 10. He's counting so badly. Hope he will not find me in my greatest hiding spot ever in the world. Not it's now it's enough. Okay, that's enough because that's too many countdown. Hey, buddy. I'm no outsiding. Okay, I'm not in outside. Yeah, you wanna get a hint, buddy? Okay, I hear Dr. Zack. Hope Dr. Zack will not tell me. Man, stupid Dr. Zack. Dr. Zack. Okay, because I will punch later Dr. Zack if he's now done. I hope we don't tell. Where's Jom? Wow, what the fudge? Okay, no. No! Man. Okay, it's not there. Okay. I hope I use my camouflage skin cobblestone in the Stone challenge. I gotta need to hunt like a man. Oh baby. Baby. Oh my. For a good hap. Okay. Look at that. Stupid dickhead. Look at him over there. Look at that. Dr. Zack. Dr. Zack, that's not fun. It's getting dark already. What? It's already dark. What the heck? Okay. Okay. You change your skin. No, buddy. I cannot change my skin. I'm still banned. Look at that guy right there. Look at that stupid dickhead. Whatever. Call for it. Want a hint, buddy? You want a hint? Just tell to me if you want a hint. Hello, buddy. No! Oh! He found me! That sucks so bad! Okay, I guess you won. Slash times set day. Okay. Now let's get over there and let's see who's the seeker. Ah, man. Oh, man. That's so intense. Okay. Let's go right here. Okay, now let's pick who's the seeker. What do you get? What do you get? Oh! Okay, let's try out of me. I got the seeker, buddy. I will count down in 30 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, buddy. I mean 30, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ready or not? Here I come. I hear breaking noises. I hear breaking blocks right there, buddy. Don't be cheering. I'm here to get you, buddy. Hope you suck that. Gonna find you. I'll not stop, buddy. I hear noises. Where are you? Man. Can't find buddy. Buddy old pal. Are you here? Want a hint? Yeah, buddy, I want hint. Want a big fat hint, buddy. Wait. I'm gonna turn off. Just kidding. Ha ha ha. Are you kidding me? What the fudge, bro? I hear that noise around my footstep. Oh man. Right. You're just here right now. I hear you. Hey, no breaking blocks. Man, I'm robot. I break it already. With your breaking blocks, that's not even fair. Piggy. You're not here. Well, now I'm hungry. Piggy. My fish. What? But his name is Piggy. You suck. Okay, let's get up. There we go. It takes long. Yeah, I know, right? I can't find you. I even look underground. Still can't find you. Where are you? I can't find you. I know you're just here. But I found you in just a minute. Ha 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 ha. Not funny, buddy. They're laughing at this game. Know what? I give up. Just kidding. No. Not give up. I will not let me down, boy. Boy, I can't find it. Here? Huh? No, I don't think so. Hey, give me a hint. Give me a hint. hint. Give me a fudging here. I'm going. Full of iron. This lab is full of iron. Where do I escape? Where do I get? Where? They're not even the testing chamber. Hey, Dr. Zack! Dr. Zack! Do you know where him? Dr. Dryorus? What? What? Dr. Zack? What the heck? And there is a glowstone. I wonder where it is. Man, you're a great hider here. Stupid dickhead. Glowstone. Redstone lamp. Not here. Okay. I think I know where that is. Maybe. Quartz. There's lots of quartz here, boy. But no glowstone here. But I found a glowstone up here. And then nothing at all. Woo! Are you outside? Oh, that's all. It's too many hints. Woo! I'm gonna find you, buddy. No, I am not outside. Are you sure? Looks like more suspicious. Jill, I found in the treasure room. Think you're in here. You're coming? I don't think so, buddy. I'm almost there, buddy. Are you here? No. Hey! Jill, I found you. You break the glass block here, you asshole. Well, GG. Well, hope you all guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna get low, but I will be doing more. I will be doing more of this hide and seek stuff. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel with my boy GLTP. And see you. Peace out. Why? What? GLTP wanna tell something. What? I don't want to tell about it. See you in the next video. Bye. Yeah. Bye. Peace all. Peace.